continuing the series on writing complex prompts on ChatGPT for Microsoft Excel. The intent over here is to do things slightly differently. And when I say differently, it means I'm not going to type a prompt, I'm going to record a prompt. So essentially, it's going to be voice to text, and then we see how interesting we could look at it. However, prior to proceeding, let me figure out what is the problem statement. We have two sheets, namely sheet 1 and sheet 2. Sheet 1 has all the information related to a client ID, and the same client ID appears here. So the intent over here is that ChatGPT should be writing a formula where it looks up the client IDs from sheet 2, compares them with the client IDs in sheet 1, goes over to the corresponding order status, which could either be completed, cancelled, or pending, go back to sheet 2 and populate the responses. As an example, the number of orders cancelled, completed, or pending. What do we do over here is we see that the canvas is a blank canvas. I've deleted all the previous chats so that we know it's a blank canvas. Secondly, what I will be doing is ChatGPT, it's a blank canvas where I start recording. Please bear with me as I dictate the entire prompt and we see how we can expect or what results can be expected. So here I start the recording. In an Excel sheet, I have got two worksheets, namely sheet 1, which is order ID, client ID, order date, product, quantity, price, order status, and delivery date. Sheet 2 in the same workbook has only one column, column A, with the column header client ID. Here's what I want you to do. Look up all the client IDs in sheet 2, compare them with the client IDs in sheet 1, find the count of order status against each that is appearing in column G. Note that the order status could be cancelled, completed, or pending. I will be entering the formula in column B of sheet 2. The desired output is, as an example, 4 orders completed, 1 order pending, and 3 orders cancelled. I stop the recording. So now it's converting voice to text, which you see in the gray box. I will be pressing this black button so the prompt is submitted. The prompt is being submitted and it has started writing the formula, which I now go over here and I refresh this. Okay, so we have the formula for completed, pending, and cancelled, and you can it has also combined these. So all I do is I click on copy code. I go here. I double click. 1 order completed, 2 orders pending, 3 orders cancelled. Double click. Okay. Now let's look at a random one. You would ask, Aman, what's the proof that this is right? So we have to do it. So what do? We go by the traditional method of a pivot. So what am I going to do? This client ID, I'm just going to copy this, Control C. Okay. Where also let me highlight it so we don't forget. Okay. And now what I do is I go here in sheet 1, insert, pivot table, and I say, okay. Now what do I do? The client ID comes here. The order status comes here. And again, the client ID appears here. Good enough. Now what do? I filter by what I have copied. So I do a control V and we come here. Okay. So against this, number of cancelled, completed, pending, complete, cancelled, completed, pending is 132. Cancelled, completed, pending. 132 or 321 is completed, pending, and cancelled. Completed, pending, cancelled. Right? That, my friends, is the power of AI and in writing prompts. For those who would want to learn this at a corporate level, I am happy to coach participants at the corporate level. For you to have my details, I would say you can contact me on this number, or my contact details are all over here. I hope you enjoyed the session. Keep trying, keep writing prompts, and it's going to be fun. Thank you.